So I want to bring flash. I would love to take a softbox, anything. I would even love to take the Explorer, but I want to travel as light as possible. So just everything in one bag. So I have decided on what one to take. What's up everybody, my name is Amauris Hernandez. If you're new here, I do photo shoots, behind the scenes, some cinematic stuff, and tutorials. And anything that's related into that criteria of photography. I'm not taking a Sigma 35, I know. It's heartbreaking for me because it's my favorite lens. Instead, I'll be taking the 85 1.8. The other lens that I'll be taking covers that 35 range. Not at 1.4, but it covers it enough. So it'll be the Tamron 28-75, and I'll be taking the A7 III, 67mm variable ND filter. I'm also taking the zoom mic just in case, don't know, maybe. This won't be an interesting one. I'm gonna be taking a vlog setup. So I'll try to vlog here and there. Don't expect it. I really don't expect it. A GoPro Hero, mainly for the shooting purposes, and some accessories like for the wrist one, the body, not the head one, but mainly for the body, just in case I do some activities. One AD200, just the one battery. Hopefully it'll last me my whole time there, but I'll take this charger just in case. The trigger, this monopod, which has the legs, so if I want to place it, on the floor, it will stay steady to an extent. Now if I'm shooting with the 24 to 28 to 75, it'll work perfectly. If I'm shooting with 85, I don't think it'll be worth it, just because the weight of it. But I'm willing to take that risk. I do have a traveler's tripod, but I can't seem to find it right now. So right at the moment, I don't have one. One more thing. I'll be taking also my Mavic Pro. So this is something I already looked up all the regulations, and yeah, I'm taking this. The only thing I realized that I need a bag for the battery since it's lithium. So I'm just gonna take one battery and play it safe. I would love to take the other two batteries, spare batteries, but I don't want to have that trouble. So I'm just going with one for now. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and the bag, the camera bag, which you all seen. If you haven't seen it, click that link right there and check out what's in my bag. Oh, I'm forgetting the main important stuff. My laptop. Taking my laptop and my hard drive. I have a regular external hard drive and a SSD drive that's set up right now. So you gotta clean those out, and SD cards. Cannot leave without SD cards. All right, here's that. I got like 4, 2 another, well, 6, because the A7 III has 2 slots. So I got 6 in total. 7 with the A50-100. And yeah, I think that's all I'm taking. So by the time you're watching this video, I'm already here in Argentina. Wish me the best of luck. One more object that I forgot to mention is this little guy, the Aperture M9. I'm gonna take this one just in case. Very bright. That's at full power. So I'll get a little extra light in there if I need it. So be on the lookout for that. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I will update my stories as much as possible since I'm gonna be traveling. Not very touristic stuff, but anything that I feel is worth capturing for you guys. So I should have like a new motto, or a phrase to say for you. I think it's that time. I have to update my banner as well. I updated my intro. You probably saw it in my last video. Check that out. It's regarding the cheap way to record your camera screen monitor. MacGyver way, so check that out. You like this shirt? Let me know if you like this shirt. Comment down below if you like it. Or better yet, just click in the description below that says photography merch. I created a whole bunch of photography merchandise for us photographers that I feel is more related to the one compared to the ones that I've seen. I made a whole bunch of different type of designs for shirts. One like this one, or this one, just to give a few. There's other options for women, for men, different color options. And yeah, check it out. Support this channel. Anything that can help me grow to make more content for you. I'm working on doing this weekly, so far so good. And subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification. And follow me on Instagram if you don't. I post there more frequently, especially in stories, so you guys can see more behind the scenes of me, my workflow. So yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.